कजिन स्टेफी जो मेरा शूट करती है। हाँ, आज हम यहाँ पे क्या पी रहे?
हल्दी का
दिखा ना, हल्दी वाला दूध। टेस्ट कर। वो बहुत लंबी है एक्चुअली, मुझे खुद को ऑकवर्ड लगा है। तो खड़ी हो जा, खड़ी हो जा, खड़ी हो जा। नहीं खड़ी हो जाएगी। शी इज क्वाइट टॉलर देन मी, वेरी क्वाइट टॉलर मींस बहुत टॉलर है। झुक जा तू नीचे। Hi, hello everyone. I hope everybody is fine and safe at home. Today here I am with a new recipe, you can say. For some it is new, for some it is old since ancient time. Yes guys, there is something twist in the recipe, that is, today I am going to show you all how I grew up drinking a golden milk, that is also known as haldi wala doodh, ya fir in western type if you see, people also call it as latte, that is turmeric latte. Guys, our Indian food, have you ever thought our Indian food has a very important and beneficial ingredients like this? And turmeric is one of it. बचपन में जब कभी हमें चोट लग जाती थी, तुरंत मम्मी, नानी, दादी तुरंत आकर उस चोट पे हल्दी लगा देते थे. And it used to cure like anything, so fast. Guys, we need to thank our Mother Nature for providing us such a versatile spice that is turmeric. Here, today we require few of these things, that is a whole cup of milk, honey, turmeric, half tablespoon of grated ginger, half tablespoon of pepper powder, half tablespoon of cardamom powder.
For 1 cup of milk, here I am taking 1.5 cup of milk. Along with that, I am adding half tablespoon of turmeric, the beauty of our milk. Here I have added grated ginger, half tablespoon of black pepper powder, and lastly half tablespoon of cardamom powder for flavors.
Now let's give this a boil. Let it simmer. Keep the flame at a low side. Let it boil for 8 to 10 minutes. All the flavors, the nutrients, properties should get well mixed with it. First of all, it boosts our immunity system. It provides a sound sleep. Guys, if you drink a glass of milk, that is turmeric milk, before going to sleep, you will get a sound sleep. It releases the stress, takes away all our tensions. And that's why, Ayurveda has considered this as a very, very major part. It is also called as queen of spices. Why I am stirring it like this? Because it should not stick at the bottom. Now let it come to a boil. Just very quick and easy recipe. It has lots of benefit. It is good for our skin, good for our face, good for hair, good for our teeth, gums, everything. So overall it has lots of benefits. And when we add pepper powder into this, it speaks of the benefits of turmeric. The grated ginger brings a very great relaxation to our throat. If we have a sore throat, it gives us relaxation. Now it has come to the point of a boil. We'll switch off the flame here. Guys, note that I haven't added any sugar into this. If you want to add sugar, you should have added it before only. But here I am going to add honey. Seal it properly. Na ज़्यादा ठंडा, ना ज़्यादा गर्म. This is a correct stage where we can add honey. After all, it is a personal choice. Some people add jaggery, some people add honey, some people add sugar. But what here I am adding is honey, which is around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Mix it well. Honey itself has lots of medicinal benefits. Now if we want to make it a bubbly, like 40 type, we can do like this. Wow, that's a classic turmeric latte or golden milk or हमारा देसी हल्दी वाला दूध. And just for the base of garnishing I'm using it. You can add crushed badam or cashews. So this is your haldi wala doodh or so-called turmeric latte is all set. So guys, ये जो रेसिपी था वो मेरा मम्मी वाला रेसिपी था जो मैं पी कर बड़ी हुई हूँ. अगर आपको ये रेसिपी अच्छा लगा हो तो आप भी इसे ट्राई करिए. मुझे पता है ये रेसिपी बहुत कॉमन है, बट मैंने जस्ट सोचा कि ड्यू टू दिस कोविड सीजन लेट्स डू समथिंग व्हिच इज रिलेटेड टू इट एंड इट कैन हेल्प यू पीपल. दोज हू डोंट नो, इट विल बी अ ग्रेट हेल्प फॉर देम, एंड दोज हू नो, it's great. So here I am ending my recipe. I'll come soon with new video, new stories, that is Zero Studio. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my channel, comment on it, and yes, please do share my videos. Till then, bye bye.